know what you had it out of commission. What were you doing to it? You were rebuilding the motor.
Yeah.
Rebuilding the motor 4 years ago, first time, and I'm here to witness it with his lovely daughter. No pressure. Welcome back to the Man Machine. Welcome back to some pancake eating, Viper smoking Sunday of fun day. We're here at Houston Raceway, and we're gonna watch our buddy Ali take his Viper after 4 years of sitting, being rebuilt onto the racetrack, and we're gonna see how well he does.
I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I love it. I love it.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just Josh. He spend his holiday logging. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. So cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo.
Right now on what's going on for the prep of the race car. I never asked. Might as well give you guys some of that insight. Some of you already know. Some of you, are like me, just kind of the driver guy that doesn't really do the tech stuff, the mechanical stuff. But right now, Chris, the guy in the back next to Ali, is working on the systems, connecting the computer, making sure that the tune is looking like the way they want it to look, and now they're doing a few additional things for the kind of mechanical, and they were talking about the tire pressure and how much tire pressure should go in, and Ali was saying that the tires had been slipping in the past, so he had to glue the tires to the wheel, and I would not have expected or never even thought that was the case, but something new I learned. Gluing tires to wheels, and he said the process for taking them off is definitely not as simple as you would hope and want, but hey, that's the price of a race car. The other thing that you can see on the inside here, right next to Chris's elbow, two knobs. One for traction control, so traction control setting, turn on levels of traction control, how much you want the car to slip, or you just don't want traction control at all and you want that thing to just light up the rear tires, do a burnout. You can turn that all the way down, and then you have control for boost, how much boost you want. Exciting, I'm excited. Woo! Exhaust pipes on a Viper all the way up front. Race car's fast. Alright, first test run. Let's see how this goes. Trying to figure out the car. Man, I didn't realize how much work it goes into trying to figure out the tune, making sure you got the right air to fuel ratio, you got the right boost. Sounds like a lot of work, though. More than I want to deal with. Just put me in the seat and let me go. All right, round two of testing. I think I was the unexpected event for today. That we got to test this car before we can really run it. Plus, it's a roll racing car. Another point that I forgot to mention. And no, Layla right there, being my co-star, hiding behind the camera. And Ollie coming on this side. Oh wait, going around the other way. Rock and roll. Here he goes. Getting ready. GoPros are on. Hands are full. Sounds good. First run, he kind of rolled off the line, and then probably about midway to the track, he put the pedal to the metal. We'll see. Probably do the same thing. Second run too. Test number 2, not so good. Let's take a look and see what it looks like on the inside of this race car. Oh. 0.15. Can you get in? That's the hard part.
From 923.
How about we just move that out the way? Dumbass moves by yours truly bumping heads.
He's faster.
This is the view from running driver's seat. Pop, 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 pop. Look at how dated that is. Alpine radio. Let's go. Shift lights. Put in the gear. Ollie trying to make sure the hood stays down. So much power. Alright, to add a little bit more to my experience, I'm gonna get a little feel for the car in the passenger seat. This guy's gonna take me for a little adventure. Let's see what this car does. Shift.
You don't even have to use a clutch on that shift.
Just up and down, huh? It's loud in here.
Yeah, it is.
Don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me through the sound of the exhaust, but I love it. I'm against selling it.
Keep it.
Keep it. That is an experience. That is an experience like no other. Oh my God. Oh my 1500. What am I doing just living with 600 horsepower? I think I need to upgrade to 1500 horsepower. All right, I'm wrapping up this video. We came out here and primarily just tested the car, and Ollie's trying to get a feel for the tune in it. Made 2 passes and then took me on a fun pass, if you will, just so I can experience the power. But hope you enjoyed. I know I did. Got a big smile. But please smash the subscribe, hit the like, turn on the notification, and leave a comment. Tell me what else you want to see. I'm gonna get closer and more personal with these cars, so hopefully you like, hopefully I'll like. We out.
Racing is life. Anything that happens before or